Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to install TikTok on your Mac using a simple trick. Since there's no official app for macOS, we'll turn TikTok into a web app that works just like the real thing. Let's get started. First, open Safari. You can do this by clicking the Safari icon in your dock or by using Spotlight Search. Just press Command plus space, type Safari, and hit Enter. Once Safari is open, head over to TikTok.com. Now go to the menu bar at the top of your screen, click File, and select Add to Dock. A small window will pop up. You can rename the shortcut if you'd like, but I'll keep it as TikTok. Click Add, and you'll now see the TikTok icon in your dock. Here's what's cool. When you launch TikTok from your dock, it opens in its own app-like window, completely separate from Safari. Even if you close the browser, the TikTok web app stays open. Watch. I'll quit Safari and TikTok is still running just fine. Now, if you're using an older version of macOS and don't see the Add to Dock option, no worries. I've included a link in the description with another method you can use. And that's it. You've now installed TikTok on your Mac as a standalone app. If this tutorial helped you out, give it a like. It really supports the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.